I get you my dog tonight. Am I coming home tonight? Calling my phone, I'm like, what you want? Don't know if you wrong or not. I get you my dog tonight. Am I coming home? I just woke up. It's currently 7:52, and I just woke up. I'm gonna brush my teeth, and I'm gonna take my hair down. So, yeah. Take my hair down because it look bad. Like, my hair look bad, so I'm gonna take it down and get it done. So, best to come be to take my hair down. She look bad. I had these braids in a while, so it's time to take these braids. So, come with me while I take these up. So I cut this one. I'm gonna take these braids out. Alright, I'm gonna take the rest of them down. I'm almost done taking the rest of my hair down. 3, 4, 5. So let's get into it. Y'all, I got this outfit on still trying to get this outfit. Let's show it. And these things. All the city trains. Look what Money Maker Beach do. Watch this transformation. Oh, she bringing me down. Yeah, we done bringing down. So these is the bundles. They very full, so let's get into it. We getting somewhere. While we getting there, clock that T. Just clock it real quick. Trust the process. We at the top. This all I got. So yeah, just get into it.
Nice and phonetic.
Trust the process. Trust the process. Trust the motherfucking process.
No, period. Ain't be worth a damn.
Cause who that? Look what Money Maker Beach do. That's the one. What Money Maker Beach do.
Yeah, got to not feel it gonna get you right. Put one finger right here. Alright, you know what? We need something to reach somewhere.
Y'all, I'm coming back.
Yeah, we tie her down real fast. We gotta milk it even if it ain't no lace.
That's gonna be a rookie mistake.
Cause who that girl was? Who that girl was? I don't know
so
who that girl was. I don't know who that girl was, but this is the white girl. Right plan, wrong bitch that walked up in. Goes the wrong bitch. This the white bitch. Y'all need to make sure y'all like, comment, and motherfucking subscribe.
Doing that, she said,
what is you doing? So let's get into this vlog. So, cause I'm gonna keep vlogging. If you got this far in the video, then that's good. And keep watching. It's gonna be fun and interesting. So stay tuned. This is my outfit. This is my outfit. Summer look like. Period. And this is my hair, so period. Clock that T, clock that T. Yeah, this some slight but light, okay? So get into the hair. And this is a 24 inch, and this, you see this hoe is touching my behind. You see it up, right? So basically I'm at Wendy's, and basically I'm gonna be trying the little frosties. That's what they use. Not slushies, not smoothies, frosties. So I'm basically gonna try the new frosty. Trying the Oreo, the Pop-Tart, and the caramel one. So first we gonna get into it. So yeah, we waiting on them to take our order, so I'm just waiting for frosties. Okay, can I try the frosties, the new frosties?
What flavor?
I want all 3 of them.
Huh?
I want all 3 of them.
You want all 3 flavors?
Yes, ma'am. I want all 3 of them. The Oreo, the Pop-Tart, and the caramel crunch.
We got swirl and then we got fusion. So, you want the swirl or the fusion?
Swirl.
The who?
She said a swirl.
Brownie batter. What else for you? And what size? Small?
Yes, can you do the small for me, please?
You said what else for you?
That's it.
You go for it.
Okay, thank you.
97.
Okay, so yeah, when I get it, I'll be there. I'm gonna come back. Don't mind my 6 ass, but yeah, let's get into Pop-Tart. I don't know when I say Pop-Tart caramel, but we finna get into it. We gonna see how it tastes, and I'm gonna be eating them all myself. Let's get into it. We finna get into this. What this shit talking about? What this shit for? See which one it is. We finna see what this shit here for. Pop-Tart caramel. I'm gonna taste this one first. This one good. That one is 10 out of 10. I don't really like. This one 5 out of 10. 5 out of 10. Let's try this one. This one good. I like this one and I like this one. Together with them bitches combined. Them bitches saying, y'all need to go try this shit at Wendy's. Cause my mama, these two hands. I don't really too much like this one. Y'all continue to watch this video and to this vlog. This one good. Them two, 10 out of 10. Recommend. Go buy that bitch again and 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 again. That bitch in. Nigga going grocery shopping in between my time. Top straighten. I might have to redo the side, but I'ma straighten it. Yeah, I see it's freezing. I'm gonna have to straighten back out there, so I gotta buy some flat irons. So I'm gonna be back when I get some flat irons. Let's go to the airport and get some flat irons. So we go to flat irons. I got some over here. So I can repeat. I've been a keep one of these drugs. I don't know. They got these two. So I decided to get these, the $22 ones. So don't know what I'm doing. So I'm headed to McDonald's to try their tenders. Got 2 cars in front of this. When I get up there to order, I'll be back. I'll be back when I'm finna eat it at the house. Yeah. Y'all, so I got the McDonald's tenders. With the ranch sauce. There's some fries in there. Let me open the ranch. Let's take these crispy chicken strips. They're really crispy. This whole good. Yeah, these hoes hitting 10 out of 10. Again and again and again and again. These chicken crispy tenders is very good. On my show. I recommend these if you ain't tried them. This house good, but it's sweet and sour, but that was out of sweet and sour. But the ranch good with them. My chicken tenders good as fuck. Not gonna lie, I wish I had got more than 3. But thank you for watching this video. Y'all, this is me trying the Frosties from Wendy's and the chicken tenders from McDonald's. So if you like this video, thumbs up this video. Comment in the comment below and tell me what you think about this video. And make sure y'all like, comment, and motherfucking subscribe. If you ain't doing that, what the fuck is you doing? I'm out on K.